Hi everyone and welcome to another video. Today we're looking at Archer Materials and we're looking at a daily chart suggesting that prices may now run up to somewhere between around 96 cents. It's also with Elliott Wave suggesting that potential run could be up to $1.09, but we're just going to focus on the ABC setup, which is basically saying if this gets positive here, it may repeat the size of this range. So these bars represent the same amount of cents that this went up. It's just broken down into percentages for trade management. So if we have a look at Archer on the day before we could have entered, so on the 15th of the 2nd we had a setup here where basically it would be the next day if it went higher than this day, which meant if it hit 78 cents we could enter the trade. We'd have a stop just under the low, so it would be say 73.5 cents, and our target would be 96. So if we draw that, we'll say that basically the entry is around 78 and the stop is 73.5. That'll say 73 because there's no extra decimal point. And if we run it up to our 96 cent target initially for the ABC setup, we see that basically for every dollar we risk, we're going to get $3.77 back. We could risk 5 cents to make 18 basically. And if we have a look down here on the strength here of the buying, look, it's in positive territory. It has sort of come down a little bit. That just reflects the pullbacks from its high from up here. So we'll jump forward now. So this was effective, this was the 15th of the 2nd. So we'll see what the 16th did. And the 16th is strong, and we would have been in at 78 cents. And also notice here now that this is starting to point up again. And so we go forward to 17th, which is basically yesterday. This is being created on the 18th pre-market. We can see it was another strong day. Now this is a good example of now we're up to 50% of the range. Good trading would mean that our stops would now come up to cost. So that would be basically the 78 cents plus factor in some brokerage. Perhaps if you paid $20 and you had 100 shares or even whatever it might be. But essentially add in your cost of brokerage as well to give yourself an exit. So there we go. We've got AX in a uptrend, the ABC, and we've already moved our stops up to cost because it's already run half the way of what we expect. So all in all, Archer Materials looking good, and we'll follow it through now to see whether we get stopped out at cost or indeed whether it makes and hits our 96 cent target. Thanks for watching, and we'll keep an eye on Archer Materials, and we will see what happens. Thanks for watching.